Mūingī thutha wa ministry ya ugima wa mwiri kwira Kenya aria thece njanjo ya murimu wa COVID-19 ati mari na wiyathi wa kwaga gwikira mask. Njanjo 840 cia kurigiriria murimu wa COVID-19 muthemba wa AstraZeneca ni ithukite ni gukiria ihinda ria kuhuthika.
That close to 840,000 AstraZeneca vaccine doses received through the COVAX facility have expired. These reports indicate that every county has some expiries, with the highest being in Nakuru at 35,000, followed by Busia at 27,980, Kajiado at 25,770, Kakamega at 12,870, Kwale at 11,730.
Njanjo milioni 2 muthemba wa Johnson & Johnson na ciukuratuika ikiria guthuka Kenya magiaga kwiyumiria guthecwo. Ministry no riwiroria Kenya mekirire guthecwo njanjo na waria mathecetwo cieri moimire guthecwo ya booster.
Kuna uwezekano wa dozi fulani aina ya JJ kuharibika mwezi ujao. Tunaenda kujitahidi kufanya campaign ili wananchi wajitokeze, lakini ni kuendelea kuhimiza kwamba sisi wote tusipofanya kazi pamoja ili tuweze kutimiza yale malengo letu ya kuhakikisha kwamba 70% ya Wakenya wamepata chanjo kufikia mwisho wa mwaka huu, basi tutakuwa na changamoto ya ugonjwa huu.
Thirikari yugite ati nginyagia riu andu milioni 17 nio mathecetwo igitanya gutheca andu milioni 19 gwikinyiria mweri wa 6.
The time for those people who are not yet vaccinated to come out and visit our vaccination centers. And this is critical because failure to take the available doses could potentially mean that we have expiries in our hands.
Maroro ma COVID-19 ni mabetie gututhuka ringi mabururi-ini mamwe na uguo thirikari cia kaunti ikahinyiririo kunyita itemi riacio hari gutheca a Kenya. Njanjo milioni 2,200 ikirikana cia guthuka ihinda-ini ria thiku ciukite. Riu gibarua gitigairwo a Kenya aria matathecetwo niguo megitire o undu umwe na bururi ndugathi hathara. Ngiribotera Inooro TV kuma mucii munene wa Nairobi, njitagwo Wanjiku wa Kimani.